Hey, I just did a video on how to change the oil in my 2019 F250 with the 6.7 liter diesel. And what I did not show, and I forgot, so I'm just going to make a separate video, is how to reset your oil monitoring system in the truck. So if you need that, stick around. All right, go to the main menu and use your keypad to move around. And it should be said that I have an STX, which is the equivalent of an XL. So what you see is going to be on an XL or STX. You go down to settings, go over right. So there's the main menu, go to the right. Then you have advanced settings, and you go to the right again. There you go, right. And then you go one more, and in the vehicle is lighting setup, wiper, windows, remote start, alarm, oil filter reset. Go to the right one more time, and then hit the OK to reset. Hold it down. And there we go. So 5,300 miles was, according to this, 53% of the. So it's saying to change oil every 10,000 miles. And again, I know I'll get a bunch of people saying it's okay to wait that long and all that, but you know, I used to do it every 3,000, and now I feel a little nervous passing 5,000. So that's where we're at. So hopefully you found this helpful. It was pretty short, quick, concise, and to the point. If you thought it was helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it, like it, comment. If you have any questions, put the comments below. And thanks for watching. I appreciate everybody.